118. It is 118 degrees right now. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Like, I can't even sit in my car. It's hot. Why do I have a black car? These are the things that I'm wondering right now. But anyways, welcome back to another Daily Dash, guys. We are on the way to the gym. I'm gonna try to get an order on the way. Probably won't get one because I've been logged in for the last like 15 minutes. Nothing's come up yet. I've just been burning here and I gotta start driving because it is too hot. Too hot. Be right back as soon as my car is not so hot because I'm about to start sweating. Alright, so today we are talking about the strike that everyone went on, and most likely everyone actually didn't go on because I was checking all day long. For you guys who are mad that I posted a video today or on that day, like, I post a video every single day no matter what, and that video was filmed on like July 29th, I believe, or so I actually didn't do anything on July 31st, so don't get mad at me for not cooperating with the strike or anything. I chilled at home and watched my friends in the Olympics all day. My friends were in the BMX event. It was super cool seeing like 4 of my friends compete in the BMX Olympics. Super cool, although my good friend Nick Bruce got hurt before the competition started, so he didn't really actually get to do anything, which is super disappointing. Like 4 years of training for the Olympics and like 3 days before you get your shoulder hurt. I cannot even imagine what that felt like for him, but at least he got to go, and like, I don't know. Anyways, but Logan Martin won, as usual. Logan's like significantly better than everyone else in the field. But anyways, so today we're talking about the strike. I chilled at home all day, but I did log in a few times. I didn't log in. I just checked to see like if there was like crazy like plus $1.50 or anything like that. And there was literally like no bonuses at all day, which means Doordash was not struggling, which is exactly why I was saying there's no point to going on a single day strike. That's not going to do anything unless you can get everyone on board, which you never will, because a lot of people absolutely need to make money every single day, and it's not right for you to tell them, hey, you shouldn't work today because we're going on strike. Like, they're running their own business, they're going to do their own thing. And there's one thing, you know, employees go on strike. When all the employees are together and stuff, they can go on strike. Especially if you're like a salary employee or something like that, you can go on strike and it'll actually do something. But independent contractors don't go on strike because you're your own business. It doesn't really make sense. Like I've said, the best thing that you can possibly do is just don't take these crappy orders and I don't know, make awareness to as many people as possible that like, hey, if you're not tipping your delivery driver, then they're not going to be able to make any money, basically, and you're probably not going to get your food realistically. But I think the best thing we can possibly do is basically like kind of bring back the decline now, but I already do that, you know. I don't accept really low orders. Like, I have basically like a $5 minimum, although in the last Daily Dash I did a $4 order, but it was so perfect. So at that point, it doesn't really matter. For me, I'm just doing casual dashing, just doing it on the way, and my whole point is I don't want to go out of my way to take any orders. Like, so for today, I gotta remake a new key, so I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna go to Home Depot, and then I'm gonna go home. So hopefully we get an order that goes from like the gym to Home Depot, or Home Depot to home, or something like that, which we probably will, because Home Depot is in a parking lot with a ton of different restaurants. Drinking pre-workout right now, so if I start itching my face and scratching my forehead and stuff, you know why. Comment down below, what's your guys' favorite pre-workout to drink? Let me know in the comments down below. I keep forgetting to film my my weigh-ins, but I'm at 169 pounds right now, so about 4 more pounds. I wanted to get down to 166, but I was wearing shoes, so I really need to probably get down to like 165 or so to be the proper weight that I was aiming for. So we're almost there. It's been 4 or 5 days or so, so we got about 2 days to complete the 10 pounds in 1 week challenge, for those of you who are following along, and hopefully for those of you who are doing it as well. So, anyways, I don't know. The whole strike thing, I knew was not, it was going to be a giant failure. I'm sorry to those of you. Dude, people got mad. Someone was like, you're a scab. Like, for one, why do you call someone a scab? Like, that's the stupid, like, is that supposed to be a diss? What? Anyways, someone called me a scab. They're like, you're such a scab. I can't believe you would Doordash on July 31st and not support the cause and all this stuff and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, whoa, calm down, lady. I, first of all, didn't dash that day. Second of all, this video was filmed 2 days ago. Chill out. Like, Jesus. Crazy people. Anyways, but fun fact of the day, well, not fun fact, fun, cool thing, I don't know, have you guys ever heard of Manscaped? It's a, basically a shaver brand for men, for like grooming your junk and stuff, you know? I just got sponsored by them, so we'll be doing probably some content with them. I have no idea what to do, but I'm like, I'm gonna try to make it creative. I wanted, because the shavers are like electric, but they're waterproof. I'm thinking like, I don't know, like, start shaving, I don't know, jump off a cliff or something, I don't know. If you guys have any fun ideas for a creative Manscaped video, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm trying to think of something creative to do for an ad for them. But anyways, okay, we're almost to the gym. Be right back. When we get an order, I'll let you guys know what we get, and hopefully it's more than $5 today, because geez, the last few days have been pretty bad. Alright, and we're back, and I'm very sweaty, but now it is only 108 degrees. Not that bad. Just kidding, it's pretty damn bad. Oh man, I was gonna say, we're waiting for an order that takes us by Home Depot, and bam, it's only $5.25, kind of annoying. Possible post tip, but probably not, but literally exactly where we need to go. Ah, crap, it's from Walgreens. I didn't think about that, actually. No, actually, never mind. Sorry. Not doing that one. Not doing that one. Yeah. Didn't even put 2 and 2 together, because it says Walgreens front, blah, 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 blah. It like totally passed my mind. I'm not shopping for someone's groceries for $5.25. Yeah, gonna cancel this one. Sorry, customer. I know I accepted it, but definitely not doing your grocery shopping for $5.25. Hold on, this feels so good. It's so hot. Okay, gonna do a few questions. Let's see. I pulled up a few questions while I was in the gym. Wanted to answer these questions. Someone just said, I'm gonna name my first kid after you. Wow, that's cool. Kind of weird, but I hope it's not after, like, I hope you just like the name Tanner and you're not doing it for me. Okay, first question. What do you do when you go to the gym? I'm assuming they are asking which workouts I do. I usually warm up with a bit of boxing, insert video clip here or something like that. I'll usually, the first thing I do when I get to the gym is either, it's like every other day, I'll either do like some boxing just for warm up and like a quick cardio warm up, or I will do the bike or something. It just depends, because generally boxing makes me a little bit sore, and it's kind of it's a lot of twisting motion from throwing hooks and kicks and stuff. It's a lot of twisting, so I don't want to overdo it, because I was overdoing it like a few months ago and I threw my back out probably from too much twisting. But normally the first thing when I go, because I usually go twice a day, first thing in the morning when I'm like doing fasted cardio, what I'll do is I'll go and I'll just do one of everything. So my favorite thing to do is shoulder scaptions. That's usually my favorite workout, or shoulder raises, whatever you want to call them. Do them in every range of motion. It's always good to warm up. This is funny. Yeah, so every single range of motion, twist your wrists in different directions. Then I will do like a bench press, a back pull down, some squats. It's just one of everything basically, just to get my body warmed up, and that's like my quick warm up. I'm only in the gym for about like 15 or 20 minutes first thing in the morning, and then when I come back later at night, it'll either be back and biceps, legs, or chest and triceps. or shoulders, and I'll break them up into small, like just 2 muscle groups, and I will do heavy lifting. Normally in the morning it's not heavy lifting, it's just a quick warm-up. Next thing, what would you recommend between the best, or what's your favorite delivery app? What would you recommend? I only do Doordash, so I can't really speak for the other ones. Let's see. Would you consider, oh, this is an interesting one. Would you consider suing Doordash for tip transparency? I wouldn't, because I don't really want to make that my problem. I wouldn't, and I don't really see, I don't know, so I've seen a few people comment that they were gonna sue them, but a lot of people say that, and a lot of people don't actually go through with it. I personally am not going to, because I don't really care that much. I'm gonna let them run their business how they want, and I definitely don't agree with it, that's for sure, but I don't need any problems in my life or any kind of stress, so definitely gonna leave that to someone else who maybe is more passionate about it. We're gonna drive over to Home Depot now and get this key copied, because I need a key to get into my house. I don't know what happened to mine. But yeah, okay, we got another, oh man, $5 for 8.8 miles. That is horrible. Horrible. We are definitely not doing that one. Maybe we'll just drive over to Home Depot and get an order on the way back. I'll be right back, let you know when we get an order. Alright, got an order. $5, unfortunately only $5, but it goes exactly in the direction that I need to go. And we're pulling up to Home Depot right now, so this will be a quick 5-minute run in. Order so I can be ready for another 12. So we'll have plenty of time to get there. And then we will get paid $5 to drive home, like I usually like to do, just make money as it's convenient. All right, be right back, running in Home Depot. Let's go. The Home Depot. All right, just left the store, got the Chick-fil-A. It smells so good. I was like, man, if I wasn't like 2 minutes late for this delivery, I would definitely get some Chick-fil-A right now. Oh my God, look at this pink Tesla. What in the world is that? Blue and pink Tesla. I see some very unique wraps with Teslas. I feel like people want to, because they all, it's like the iPhone. There's so many of them and they're all basically the same. People try to like make theirs unique. Sorry, I'm like reaching down to grab my foot real quick. I don't know. It's kind of cool, but I can't imagine driving around a light blue and pink car. Personally, I'm probably always going to have a black or a white car. And yes, I know people are messaging me like crazy right now because PAR just got a cease and desist letter. So I'm going to actually end this video pretty soon and make a video on that, because I feel like that one deserves its own video. It'll probably come out first or yesterday for you guys, because today is yesterday for me or for you. I don't know how does that work, but anyways, okay, yeah, gonna drop off this food real quick and then get into the cease and desist, because this is interesting. Saw it coming though. Saw it coming from a million miles away. Okay, anyways, be right back as soon as we drop off this food. You know what's funny is, after I'm speaking about that Tesla, the person I'm delivering this food to says I'm wearing a light blue shirt with pink shorts. Man, they would have matched this Tesla perfectly. Alright, just dropped off the order. These dudes were smoking a blunt as I literally pulled up. They look like straight up stoners. Obviously, what you do when you're super stoned is order Chick-fil-A though, so makes sense. They smelled like, I've driven like probably like 100 feet, and my car still smells like smoke. Kind of, I mean, definitely if I was a Karen, I would have said something, because he literally like inhaled and like kind of exhaled the weed into my car, which like, I don't give a shit, but most people probably would give a shit. Like, yeah, that's a little rude, but oh well. Like, I don't really smoke weed anymore. But anyways, alright, so we're gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. What's Tony telling me? We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get to this Para video. All right, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys subscribe and also smash that like button. Help me out a little bit. Just help out my channel with a quick smash of the like button. And thank you guys for who those always click the like button. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace, guys.